How you doing, News? I miss you. It's a big rubber guy. As a kid of the 80s, LJN action figures were the bee's knees. I love LJN action figures. And now, I have one. A big rubber guy. Better than LJN. It's a big rubber guy. Like Bad News, like Harley. When I get my Adam Copeland figure, my Cope figure, I am taking that NWA World Heavyweight Championship, Harley. Pre-order them until November 14th. That's all you have until on shopaew.com. There's going to be two versions, a Chase variant where I wear the Stinger face paint when I teamed with Darby and Sting at Full Gear. And then there's the Brood version from the cage match against Malachi Black at Double or Nothing. Also comes with TNT Championship. Pre-order until November 14th, shopaew.com. I'm going to play with myself when I get it.